good everyone. These eligible once again, and today I would love to show us how to actually make an investment in Bybit. Also, I showed the last video I showed us how to make up to 2.7% increase on your investment in Bybit, and that one is actually just a flexible savings in Bybit, which whereby you can make use of. Very easy. You can check to that video. I'll leave the link in the description to that video. So today I'll be showing us how to actually to make up to 1.3% per day on your investment in Bybit using the dual asset investment. So I showed us a lot of different sessions in the in tab Bybit the last time. Today I'll be showing us I'll be talking about the dual asset investment. So these are some of the things that Bybit actually has as as an investment scheme for their customers. So that's what I'll be showing us today. Just watch to the end of the video. Do not leave. Watch to the end of the video. Okay, so just come into the Bybit in here. Come to the Bybit in session here. Then you see these different tabs that are here. You can see you have the flexible savings, the dual investment, the liquidity mining, the launch pool, and the DeFi mining. Now, right now, I hope you already know how to add money into your account. If you don't know, just check the link in my description how to buy USDT on Bybit at a very good rate. So you can just check that in the link below. So then you learn how to add more. That's how you learn how to add money to your account. But today I'll be showing us how to use the dual asset. Now let's come to the dual asset now. Let me quickly explain how this works. How this works, fact that you actually what you do is fact that you put in for example now let's take an example and use this bit USDT. This bit USDT is works in such a way whereby if you put in the Bitcoin BIT coin, so when you put in the Bitcoin, you can earn USDT if the coin should increase more than the price whereby you make that investment. So that's why you call established benchmark price. This is the price, the current price at which you invested into this dual asset investment. The point in time whereby you invested, that's the current price. So if the price should increase above this, then you will earn USDT instead of bits. You'll be earning USDT. And if the price should reduce more than the benchmark price, you will still be earning your bits. That's what it actually means. So coming to this place, coming to the so you see a lot of different durations. So this is a 1 day duration, this is a 3 days duration, this is a 5 days duration, and you see this is the dates that they will set to you. This is the date that they will you will be settled. They will make the settlement and then you get your interest. Now, one thing I want to show you here is the fact that these different durations have their different APYs. Now, looking at the different APYs, we will know that they are greater than each other, and the one that actually is most profitable is the one that has the 1 day duration, which is 322% increase. Now, I said that how you can actually make up to 1.3% increase. Now, there are actually ones that are even more, that has more percentage APY. If you check across the different investments, the asset investment that we have a lot of different ones here. Now you can see that there is one here which is 492. That's more like 500% increase. 500% increase annually. Now you can either buy this coin. You can just easily buy this coin. you buy the Jamsi coin on your, you go and trade it on your account, then you buy it. After buying it, then you use the Jamsi coin in this investment. Now let me quickly show you something. 492%. So there's usually change in the price. There's usually change in the price. But let's say it is now 490 at least. So come here. Let's quickly use our calculator and check what that will actually give us when we check it, when we divide it by 365 days. So let's see how much that will give us per day. So come to the calculator here. I'll be using my own calculator. You can also use your calculator to confirm if we are on the same page. So 490 now. I've actually did the calculation here before, so it's just for easy access. You see, 490 divided by 365 grants us 1.34% increase per day. So imagine you are getting 1.34% increase per day. You are repeatedly investing in the dual asset. So that's going to be giving you let's say 1.3 times 30 days. So that means that you have, you see, 39% increase on your investment after a whole month. You have 39% increase on your investment after a whole month, and that's something that you might not easily get somewhere else. Might not easily get it somewhere else, or might not easily get it in a trusted or secure investment scheme such as this. So this is why it's quite very very important for you to use the Bybit in the dual investment. It's a very very good investment scheme. Now I already have some what's it called? I already have some Bit. I'll be doing that of Bit. I'll be showing us how to invest in it. So I'll be showing us that of Bit. So I'll be doing a little bit of investment in Bit. Now I have some Bit in my account already, in my in account already. So Adibin, you have traded, you come here, you can trade Bit in this particular place. You can just search Bit USDT. If you search Bit USDT, so just search that, enter that. If you have already added USDT into your spot wallet already, so you might have to make some transfers between these different accounts, and you can just do that here. You can click on transfer here, select the accounts you want to transfer from into the account you want to transfer into. So you can do the transfers here. If you are intending to transfer from your funding account into your spot wallet, then you buy on your spot wallet. So the value of your USDT will have shown here. So you just buy the amount of bits you want to buy, you want to invest. You buy it. After buying it, it will remain in your spot wallet. Then you have to transfer it from your spot wallet into your. You have to transfer it from your spot wallet into your in wallet. Transfer it into your in wallet. So you select the coin you want to. So you select either Bit or any other coins that you might have selected. But the one I'll be showing us is the Bit. You can also select the Jamsi. The Jamsi should be also available here also. Yeah, you see Jamsi. That's the one that still has the highest return rate for you. So now you just make your transfer, click on the amount of Jamsi you want to transfer into the in wallet. So after transferring, so I have some Bits in my in wallet already. So I might not be able to see it quite here. But you see, when I want to make the investment, it's going to show up. Let's just come back to the home, come to the Bybit in, come to the dual investment, then come to the let's select the Bit now, the Bit USDT. So now for this one, actually, if you make the calculations, 325 divided by 365, so you know that it should be something around 0.95, so something around that area. So that's the amount I'll be making per month, per day. So I'll be making $0.95 0.95% increase per day. So now I'll be selecting this now. Let me just show you. So now this is the next page that to pop up for you. This next page will pop up for you. Now, after opening up this page for you, the one thing to do is the fact that you enter the amount of bits you want to you want to make the investment of. Now I'm not seeing currently my beats here currently. Well, let me. I think I will check my account. Okay. Oh, currently still staked. Currently, it's still staked currently. So it's not yet available. I actually did a staking in the previous day, so it is still staked currently and it's still running. So by it's still active currently, and by a particular time today, it's going to pop up. Now, okay, let me just show you how to use that particular place. So I don't have any assets in my wallet to actually show you how to do it though. Let me just show you. So after selecting this place, after selecting this place, so just click in. You enter the amount of bits you want to put in. So the minimum is 20 bits. So you have to buy 20 bits or have 20 bits in your in wallet currently to be able to do this. So clicking on the 20 bits, then you make the investment and then it will start processing. You'll now be able to see the progress in that other place I showed you earlier. So you'll be able to see. So now if you should click in the amount also, be aware that to show you the amount of bits you are going to get after the investment. See 20.17. So 0.17 bit is the bit that I will gain. Or either if the price increase, I'll be getting 8.9 USDT. So let's quickly check how much 20 bit is worth. So 20 bits is worth 8.87. So that means I will be getting 8.9. So that means that there has been a dollar increase in that area also. So it's just profit. Both sides are profit. Either you get USDT or you get the beat. Both sides are profit. So that's just one of the shows today. Not to take much of our time. Understand? So you can try out the beat on you can try out the dual asset investment on Bybit. And I trust you will love it. Like this video, subscribe to this channel.